You really slap me, right? Are you not here? Why did you slap me? Why did you slap me? Why did you slap me? Why did you slap me?
I just tired. Why will you slap? Why will you slap? Why you go slap her? No, the girl they ask her why you go. You go slap her.
Security officer.
What is wearing is not short. The situation that they were wearing is short. The other man just came and slapped her. She just said that. And then why did you slap me? Why did you slap me? No, it's not short. I don't want to go for a contest. This is the one for security man followed.
I like the one happened that he said it's the try material. I dropped it down. I didn't have it for what? You saw when it started. Yeah, I was there. I started the video. I was there when it started. He was telling me people. I said no, and he slapped her.
as the man that slapped her.
He slapped her and she held the clothes. It's okay, it's okay.